But that's going to be a good announcement. This top of mind.
I imagine there's a few stations here.
Good morning, everybody. Bienvenue tout le monde. Welcome to Ottawa West Nepean, to Produce Depot here in my riding. I'm Anita Vandenbelt, and I am joined here by several parliamentary colleagues. We have with us Bruce Sanjoy, Morelli, Yasser Naqvi, et je suis très heureuse d'accueillir aujourd'hui le Premier ministre du Canada. Very happy to be welcoming Prime Minister Mark Carney and Finance Minister François-Philippe Champagne. Welcome.
G7 nations. Affordability is closely tied to how our economy performs and how well it works for people across our great country. That's why with the Prime Minister, we are building the strongest economy in the G7. You have heard me say that many times before, but with Budget 2025, we are making generational investments in infrastructure, in housing, in productivity and innovation, because it affects how Canadians live, work, and plan. Doubling a Canada where life is more affordable, a Canada with strong communities, and a Canada we can all be proud of. With that, ladies and gentlemen, I will invite the Prime Minister to address. Monsieur le Premier ministre.
Merci, Mr. Le Ministre. Thank you, François-Philippe. Thank you, colleagues, for being here. Dave Donnelly, thank you for welcoming us here to this remarkable establishment that has served the people of Nepean, of Ottawa, for over 30 years, 34 years and counting. It is a pleasure to be here with my colleagues from the National Capital Region. Anita, again, yeah, thank you for having us here, and Dave and team, again, for welcoming us. Look, we're in a situation where, and Canadians know this, the world's rapidly changing. That's leaving a cloud of uncertainty and worry hanging over all of us, Canadian businesses, Canadian workers, Canadian families. Our government's focused on what we can control, and that starts with building a stronger, more resilient Canadian economy. Less reliant on a single trade.